through the evening so that this energy and warmth continues. And as we begin with our awards, the first award of the evening going to a platinum award of the evening going to GAIL India Limited, Gas O&M NCR region for petroleum gas transportation sector. Please put your hands together. It's a platinum award, sir. Would you like to say something? We have very rare platinum winners.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank my management, particularly CMD GAIL, Mr. B.C. Tripathi, and Director Projects, Mr. R.D. Goel, for making NCR win this grand platinum award. This is also thankful to Green Tech Foundation for judiciously awarding GAIL NCR O&M Platinum Award. Thirdly, sir, I would like to inform you that NCR O&M, we are giving gas to entire NCR. And as pointed above during the discussion, I would like to tell you that NCR is not only safety conscious, but what is happening in NCR is that we are supplying gas to the consumer. So we have to contain the problem also. Apart from making it fire safe or safety point, we have to ensure in case if anything happens, the supply to DTC, the Delhi Transport Corporation, supply to PPCL, who is giving the power supply, and NTPC and other industries, which are very important for the running of the system in the country, are given the gas. And that is also applicable for households, because Delhi households are getting the gas. So we are ensuring by loop lines and other possibility so that all the people are getting the gas. And of course, we are also ensuring safety at the international level. And more than international level, in terms as said, I would like to briefly apprise you that instead of 8 kilometers of sectionalizing wall, NCR is having every 1 kilometer sectionalizing wall. Apart from remote operation of the wall, we have got auto closing facility through pressure control devices. So that is the level of safety we are having. And of course, the instances which are taking place, we are containing as low time as 3 hours and 50 minutes in Delhi. And that is with the cooperation of Delhi government. We have got emergency response wedge, which has got a flasher light, and so it reaches very fast. So all these things are there in NCR, and therefore they truly deserve, and our management is given this support. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
श्री अटवाल साहब, जनरल मैनेजर गेल इंडिया लिमिटेड NCR. सर, आपके एरिया में ऑल द VIPs एरिया आल्सो कम, जहाँ पर कि ये गैस जाता है, इट इज़ यूज्ड इन कुकिंग आल्सो. इफ देयर इज नो गैस सप्लाई इन सम ऑफ द VIP एरियाज एंड द हाउसवाइफ्स आर डिस्टर्ब, डू यू गेट एनी प्रेशर एंड फ्रॉम फोन कॉल्स कि हमारा चालू कराइए जल्दी से?
As far as supply to Delhi is concerned, we have got 3 sources of supply in Delhi. One is from Bhavana, second is from Desu, and third is from Gurgaon. So from 3 sources we are getting supply in Delhi, number 1. Number 2, there is a complete ring of supply in steel pipeline of 12 inch diameter along the ring road. Thirdly, our joint venture, IGL, has made a network and looping. I can give you the latest example. Last week only, Delhi Jal Board, while operating something, they had damaged our pipeline, and supply of Mayur Vihar area and other area was disturbed. But we had taken up with IGL, and of course you must be knowing our Sri Bhurelal, who is the chairman of EPCA. He is monitoring us, what we are doing, and every time anything happens, he comes into summons us for this. So that is why the no supply was disrupted. Even the last week when there was a damage to the pipeline, and we repaired the line in 12 hours, which was 8 meters below the line, ground level. Yes, sir. Yes. So there is no problem, sir. And VIP is absolutely no problem. And normal is not a problem, so VIP is not a problem. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. To my knowledge, no. To my knowledge, no. No, I don't. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations. And maybe Mr. Sharan, you should ask him the same question during the cocktail hour after 2 drinks. Moving on, our next platinum and our final platinum award winner for this year. Everybody put your hands together as I invite from Petroleum Refinery Sector, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Panipat Refinery. Right, sir. A few words, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, Dr. Saran, and delegates, ladies and gentlemen. We are representing Indian Oil Panipat Refinery. In fact, our refinery is called Panipat Refinery and Petrochemical Complex. We are the 7th refinery of Indian Oil, and it is the largest refinery and petrochemical complex and 3rd largest refinery and petrochemicals in Southeast Asia. In fact, you see this refinery, you know, this technology, we are sitting on a bombshell. We have to be always vigilant 24/7 into 365 days. Fortunately, we are able to maintain the same status. I mean, there was no fire, major fire and accident in last 3-4 years. Hopefully, but we should not be complacent, and hopefully we will be able to maintain the same status. Thank you, Green Tech Foundation, for awarding this prestigious award. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bordolay, and congratulations. Well, we move on to our next award, a gold award going out in thermal power sector. Going out, a gold award to Hindalco. This is for the Renukoot asset. Please put your hands together. Clap, come on. Our next award of the evening, the gold going in hydropower to Natpa Jhakri Hydro Power Station, SJVN Limited, Jhakri. Picture, can we please have you on the stage, sir? Congratulations. I would request that you will anyway get a CD of the whole event so you don't have to worry about the picture.